we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Irosiy Dual Lance Wide Mouth Soap Cannon. Consists of the following features: dual lance and wide mouth design. Maximize foam output for faster cleaning. Our dual lance system combined with a 3.5-inch wide mouth soap reservoir ensures 30% more dense, long-lasting foam than standard foam cannons. The extra wide opening allows for effortless soap loading, no messy funnels needed, while the dual lenses distribute foam evenly across large surfaces, perfect for cars, trucks, RVs, or outdoor furniture. Cut your cleaning time in half with fewer passes. Switch between foam and direct spray in seconds. Equipped with a removable double tip, foam fan plus 15 degrees direct spray, this tool adapts to all cleaning tasks. Use the foam tip to coat surfaces with a lubricating layer, reducing scratches, then switch to the direct spray to blast away stubborn grime, example mud, grease, or bird droppings. No need to swap attachments mid-job, save time and effort. Customize pressure for every surface. Included are 5 color-coded nozzles, 0 degrees jet, 15 degrees strip, 25 degrees fan, 40 degrees wide fan, and soap mode, to handle any cleaning challenge. The 0 degrees nozzle is ideal for tough stains on concrete or metal, while the 40 degrees nozzle gently cleans delicate surfaces like paint or windows. Perfect for DIYers and professionals alike, one tool for all jobs. Tool-free installation in 5 seconds. Our standard 1/4-inch male quick connect fitting works with 99% of pressure washers, up to 4000 psi. Simply snap it onto your wand, no tools, no threading, no hassle. The secure lock prevents leaks or disconnect ions during use, so you can focus on cleaning instead of fixing equipment. Durable enough for daily commercial use. Made from high-impact ABS plastic, resistant to cracks and UV damage, and reinforced with stainless steel components, this foam cannon withstands 4000 psi pressure without breaking. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, even during long sessions, and the leak-proof O-rings ensure consistent performance. Built to last, say goodbye to flimsy, disposable foam cannons. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.